Namaskar. When it comes to losing weight and losing that stubborn belly fat, the type of carbohydrates you consume can make all the difference. While refined flour like white wheat flour, maida, can spike blood sugar level and contribute you to weight gain. There are healthier alternatives that are rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. These flours not only support weight loss but also help you maintain energy and curb cravings throughout the day. Let's explore some of the top flours that can be incorporated into your diet for effective weight management. First, we have the unique jackfruit flour. Jackfruit flour is a low calorie, low glycemic alternative that's gaining popularity for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. It's rich in fiber, which helps control hunger and reduces the overall calories you take. It also has antioxidants that help reduce inflammation linked to fat accumulation. Mix this jackfruit flour with other gluten-free flours to make rotis, pancakes, or even add it to the smoothies for its nutrient boost. The next flour we will explore is Moringa flour or a drumstick leaf flour. Moringa is called the biggest superfood in the world. It has 25 times more iron compared to spinach, 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 2 times the protein, and 4 times the calcium compared to milk. Moringa flour is a natural metabolic booster which helps in faster fat burning, particularly around the belly area. It is also high in antioxidants which fight inflammation and support weight loss. It contains chlorogenic acid which can aid in fat metabolism and reduce fat accumulation. You can use moringa flour by mixing it with other flours to make chapatis. Within 14 days, you will see a reduction in blood sugar and in many other benefits. Let me also give you a unique moringa flour recipe, a moringa flour smoothie bowl. A moringa infused smoothie bowl is a refreshing and a healthy way to start your day. It's rich in antioxidants and nutrients, making it perfect for boosting energy and weight loss. You need 1 tablespoon moringa flour, 1 banana, 1 cup spinach or kale, half cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon almond butter or peanut butter. Now for toppings, sliced fruits, granola, coconut flakes or nuts. Now let's understand how you make this nutritious meal. First, in blender, combine moringa flour, bananas, spinach, almond milk, chia seeds, and almond butter. Blend until smooth and thick. Pour it into your bowl and top it with your favorite toppings. Serve immediately as a refreshing and a nutrient-packed breakfast. This moringa smoothie bowl is loaded with nutrients, making it an excellent choice for a healthy breakfast. It can be used even as a post-workout meal. The next flour we will be talking about is an amaranth or Rajgira flour. Rajgira flour is a gluten-free, protein-packed option, perfect for weight loss. It's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, which helps build muscles and burn fat. It is high in fiber, promoting a feeling of fullness and preventing overeating. It helps in stabilizing blood sugar level, reducing a chances of fat storage. It is rich in magnesium, which supports metabolism and reduces bloating. Rajgira flour is excellent for making rotis, laddus, or thickeners for soups and sauces. Let me teach you how to make a delicious high-energy, gluten-free almond and amaranth laddu. You need 1 cup amaranth flour, half cup almond flour, 1/4 cup powdered jaggery or honey if preferred, 2 tablespoon ghee, 1/4 cup crushed almonds, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. To make this dish, first try and roast amaranth flour on a low heat until aromatic. Next, add almond flour and continue roasting for 3 minutes. In another pan, melt ghee and add jaggery, stirring until it melts and forms a syrup. Add the roasted flour to the jaggery syrup. Mix it well. Add crushed almonds and cardamom powder. Let the mixture cool slightly and then form small laddus by rolling in your palm. Store these things in an airtight container. Enjoy as a fasting snack or dessert. Next on our list of top weight loss flour is Kuttu or buckwheat flour. Kuttu flour, commonly used during fasting period, is another gluten-free flour that is low in calorie and high in protein. Buckwheat helps regulate blood sugar level and helps promoting heart health, which is closely tied to belly fat reduction. Let's learn how to make almond and kuttu pancakes. Now ingredients: half cup almond flour, half cup kuttu flour, 1 ripe banana optional for sweetness, 1 tablespoon jaggery powder, 1 teaspoon rock salt, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon chia seeds soaked in 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon ghee for cooking, honey or maple syrup. So now, first mix almond flour, kuttu flour, rock salt and baking soda in a bowl. In another bowl, mash the banana and add soaked chia seeds. Combine both the mixtures, adding water as needed to form smooth batter. Then heat ghee in a pan and pour a ladle of the batter. Now cook it. Cooking pancakes in a medium heat till it goes golden. Serve the pancakes hot. Drizzle it with honey. These pancakes are nutrient rich and naturally sweet, making them a healthy, indulgent breakfast. This is a good option for those who want to lose their belly fat. Last on our list is quinoa flour to lose weight and reduce belly fat. Quinoa is complete protein. Quinoa flour is a powerful option for muscle building and fat loss. It's high in fiber content, which helps you maintain a steady energy level and reduce overall calorie intake, helping you in weight management. Here is the recipe for quinoa flour muffin. It is gluten-free. Now ingredients: 1.5 cup of quinoa flour, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, flax seeds, half cup coconut oil or melted butter, half cup honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half cup almond milk or any plant-based milk, 1 mashed ripe banana for sweetness and moisture. Optional is half cup blueberries, chocolate chips or chopped nuts. First preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease it with coconut oil. Now mix the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Whisk together quinoa flour, baking soda, baking powder and salt. Then prepare the wet ingredients. Now in a separate bowl, make a thin powder of flax seeds and add to it. Then add coconut oil and honey, vanilla extract, almond milk and mashed banana. Stir until smooth and combined. Now combine the wet and dry mixture. Gradually add wet ingredient to the dry ingredient, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to over mix the batter. Finally, add the optional ingredients. If you are adding blueberries, chocolate chips or nuts, gently fold them into the batter at this point. Now divide the batter evenly into the muffin tin, filling each cup about 3/4 full. And now bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until the toothpick inserted into center coming out clean. Remove the muffins from the oven and allow them to cool in the tin for around 10 minutes. Remember the key to weight loss, especially around the belly, lies in balancing the blood sugar levels, controlling the appetite and promoting fat burning. Each of these flours is packed with essential nutrients, fibers, and protein, all of which helps in reduce cravings, improve digestion, balance blood sugar. All this speeds up metabolism and helps you burn calories more efficiently. By incorporating these nutrient rich flours into your daily routines, you can work towards achieving the weight loss goals, still enjoying delicious and satisfying food. Namaskar.